In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this site can't be reached on the Telegraph website. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if the Telegraph news website is returning this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to close and open your browser again and try to troubleshoot it. For my case, I'm on Google Chrome. To troubleshoot your browser, go to ellipsis here and then look for settings. From settings, look for this option, privacy and security, and under this look for delete browsing data. Now if you click on this, we have different length of time you can delete your browsing data from. You can delete up to all time. So for my case, I just want to delete the last 24 hours, and make sure you check these options such as browsing history, cookies, cache, as well as download history. Check all of them before you can proceed and delete. This will clear the browsing data. And now open a new browser or just open a new tab. And before you visit the official Telegraph app, make sure you are not using any VPN, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. If you have any VPN turned on or any security app that you recently installed, you'll need to stop them before you use. And now if you visit the official Telegraph app, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, at this point, if you still encounter a challenge, then try and use a different browser. So if you are on Google Chrome, you can try and use maybe Firefox or Brave browser to see if that fixes your problem. You can also try and use the mobile app to see if you can still access the website. However, if that fails, then most likely the Telegraph might have experienced internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes before you can visit the Telegraph and access news articles. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.